Peptides are all the rage right now, but what are peptides? We get that question a lot. People don't really understand. They know peptides are kind of a hot thing and they like the idea of using them because they're supposed to work well for lots of things, but what are they? So a peptide is like a tiny little protein. Proteins are made of amino acids that get chained together, and a peptide is a chain of amino acids that is on the smaller side, anywhere from 2 to a few dozen amino acids chained together is a peptide. And there are peptides all throughout your body that are functioning right now. Your body produces insulin. Insulin is probably the most famous peptide in your body, controlling your sugar metabolism. And in fact, the most famous peptide out of your body is probably the GLP-1s. They are peptides that people use and inject that your body then incorporates, and it triggers different things to happen. So peptides have been purported to do all kinds of things, help with healing, help with skin and hair and nail quality. It boosts the immune system, even increase your libido and sexual function. So these peptides can be used in lots of different ways, and they do seem to have a very good effect. Now, I do recommend the use of peptides with my patients, but you have to do it with a little bit of caution. We don't know the long-term effects of using these, and it hasn't been studied in terms of the right dosing for particular effects. We just don't know. But we do know that they've been used for a long time by lots of people, and there haven't been that many side effects. And until we have good studies that look at the dose of the peptide and what the effects are, looking at side effects at various dose levels, we can't say scientifically, but at least anecdotally, looking at the stories out there, there's been a consistently good response from these chains of amino acids, the peptides. So whether you're talking about things like the GLP-1s, we know they work and they have been studied as a drug, or you're thinking about some of the more common things, the BPC 157, CJC, looking at the GHK copper, the GHK Cu, all of these are peptides that people are using for different purposes. And as we learn more about them, as we get more experience and we do study them, we'll be able to know reliably the right dosing. But for now, it certainly seems like they have great benefit in different things, a pretty low side effect profile. So peptides, a short chain of little amino acids, tiny little proteins, is how your body works and how you can use that chemistry inside your body to help manipulate and support different processes.